Hello, and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. You can see that black is boxed in with the 2 bishops and the 2 pawns. White has 2 knights, one can move in to do a check, also has a bishop, can move across, and also the queen that can get in a couple of moves. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? If you move the queen to f8, the bishop can take the knight on a6. You can then start moving in the other knight, but the black king is able to escape, and you can only get a checkmate in 4 by moving the queen in. If you move the knight to c5, the black bishop can move along the diagonal. Here it blocks the queen, but it doesn't really matter anyway. You can eventually move the queen in. Black can do nothing at this point, but it's only a checkmate in 4. You move the queen to f5 looking for the checkmate in 2. Black can take the knight on a5 with the bishop, and then the king has an escape square, so you don't get the checkmate in 2 that way. If you move the queen to f6 looking for the checkmate in 2, black can move the bishop somewhere to create an escape square, so you don't get the checkmate in 2 this way. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. Pause the video if you need more time. What you actually need to do to get a checkmate in 2 is move the queen to b6. If black pushes the c-pawn, you can move the queen into d8 to checkmate the king. If black takes the queen with the pawn, you can move the knight to b6 to checkmate the king in 2. Black pushes the d-pawn to d6, the bishop can move to e6 to checkmate in 2. And if black pushes the pawn to d5, the queen can move across to e6 to checkmate in 2. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.